documentary about romantic comedies.
All right.
Take it away.
I don't need to tell you this.
Hey, wait till I say play. Play.
I don't know if you know this, but we are pretty friendly people, and even though we waited to the end of the movie, we both love each other. It's what normally happens when you watch a romantic comedy. You see, the problem with romantic comedies is when you
Skip scene.
Like, whoa! This is an example of like the wacky situations these guys go through.
Pause. Rewind. Pause. Play.
Whoa!
Pause. Rewind. Pause. Slow motion. Pause. Rewind. Pause. Dubbed in Spanish. Play.
Cayano! Sí, cuando ponen la cadena a Taco Bell, sí, Taco Bell.
Pause.
Problemas.
Menu. Deleted scenes.
Did you prepare the segment? Okay, so you take the ready from here now. Okay. Hey, the segment, man.
Pause. Return back to main movie. Director's commentary.
So when we did this part of the scene, we thought, you know, why not just demonstrate the wacky situation? So what we did was, whoa! And from there, we kind of just talked a little bit about, like,
Skip to chapter 30.
The last thing about romantic comedies is just know that they're meant for one reason: to make you laugh and to win your heart. I love you, man.
Pause. Rewind. Pause. Fast forward 16 times speed.
Oh my God.
See.